Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Quick View. This handy feature allows you to get essential product details without leaving the search results page. Simply hover your mouse over a product image on Amazon's website. A small pop-up window will appear, displaying key information like price, customer ratings, and availability. It's designed to save you time and streamline your shopping experience, making it easier to browse many items quickly. Quick View offers several significant advantages for shoppers. You can rapidly compare multiple products side by side, seeing crucial data points at a glance. This eliminates the need to open numerous new tabs, which can slow down your browser and make your shopping journey less efficient. It's particularly useful when you're exploring a wide range of similar items, helping you make informed decisions much faster than traditional browsing methods. To use Quick View effectively, simply move your cursor over any product image on an Amazon listing page. A small, transparent box will appear, often with a Quick Look or Quick View button. Clicking this button, or sometimes just hovering, will reveal a pop-up containing the product's title, price, average customer review score out of 5 stars, and often a brief description. You can then decide if you want to click through to the full product page. For maximum efficiency, use Quick View when you're doing initial research or comparing many items. Pay attention to the star ratings and the number of reviews, as these offer quick insights into product popularity and satisfaction. Remember, it's a snapshot, so for in-depth details like full specifications or customer questions and answers, you'll still want to visit the main product page. This tool is perfect for narrowing down your choices quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.